Hello everybody, welcome to the Impressive channel. Breaking news, Bill Cosby's case was ordered as a mistrial because the jury couldn't make a decision. Now this was thrown out of the court and it seems as if Bill Cosby is free. However, there could be a chance that he may be retrialed. So never say never, but for now, he is free. Now, Bill Cosby could have been convicted of 3 felony counts of aggravated indecent assault, and he could have faced up to 10 years in prison. The jury consisted of 5 women and 7 men, and after 3 days in deliberation, they couldn't come to a verdict. So in order for Bill to be prosecuted, the majority has to declare him guilty, but none could come to an agreement. And here's the reason why. The woman who accused him, whose name is Andrea Constant, she was grilled by Bill Cosby's lawyers and they found some discrepancies in her story. In fact, her answers didn't line up with the original statements that she made about Bill Cosby 10 years ago. Because of this, the jury could not come to a decision because they weren't sure if they could believe her. However, Andrea did reach a settlement with Bill Cosby 10 years ago and she did take the money from him. So the fact that she's coming to bring him back to court again is kind of raising some suspicion. Is she doing this for money or not? She claims that she's not. However, some people were very suspicious about it. Anyway, all I have to say is I still have my reservations about whether Bill Cosby did it or not. However, I think it's good that he doesn't have to spend the last days of his life in prison. You know, I don't feel like Bill Cosby is gonna live much longer than 10 years or 5 years even. So I believe that whatever, the damage has been done to his legacy, and I think he's probably receiving more punishment than we could ever guess right now. So in my opinion, Bill Cosby is probably going through a lot in his mind, in his life, and in his finances. So he is receiving punishment even though he didn't go to jail. Now I do respect Bill Cosby for what he has done in television. He has given us quality programming, especially programming that portrays Black people in a positive light. So I will always respect him for that. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching and I will see you later. Bye!